Heritage tourism, a field that explores the preservation, promotion, and experiences of historical, cultural, and natural heritage. Over the course of my study, I've been discovered just how vital this form of tourism is not only to global economies but to the safeguarding of our shared history. At its core, heritage tourism isn't just about visiting famous landmarks. It's about connecting with the stories, tradition, and people that shapes a place identity. I've learned that heritage tourism helps bridge the past and the present, allowing visitors to experience history in a living, tangible way. In class, we delve into the key principle of heritage tourism such as authenticity, sustainability, and community. Involvement, these principles are crucial for ensuring that tourism benefits local population, preserves local practices, and respect the environment. One key lesson I learned was the importance of authenticity. When tourism experience a heritage site, they seek authentic experience, one that reflects the true essence of the place, whether it's do guided tours, local art, or even traditional foods. The goal is preserve that makes our location unique and meaningful.
Putang ina mo!